Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites and then take immediate action. You make sure your Google Home Mini is powered and on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Once done, open the Google Home app signed into your Google account. Next, prepare your YouTube Music account credentials so you can link a service. Make these steps now to avoid interruptions. After linking, proceed to set defaults and give an initial test command to confirm discovery. Now you link and configure the music service. In the Google Home app, go to Settings, then Music. Once there, choose YouTube Music from the list and set it as the default. You do this so voice commands go straight to YouTube Music instead of another provider. Make sure to grant any permission prompts and confirm billing or account access if requested. Once set, try a short command like, "Hey Google, play my likes," to verify the default is active and streaming begins. Finish by using clear voice commands and minor adjustments to control playback. You'll say phrases such as, "Hey Google, play chill hits on YouTube Music," or "Play my Discover Weekly," and you can start /stop or jump tracks with short follow-ups. Use volume commands like set volume to 50% or create a speaker group in the Home app to cast to multiple devices. If playback fails, the most effective quick fix is to reboot the Mini.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.